Welcome. If you want to set face unlock on your Nokia 7.2, for the first you have to enter the settings. Then you have to scroll down and enter security and location. Right now tap on the face unlock. Go for the setup screen lock and let's set the face unlock and the pattern. Click on the next. Draw it again and confirm. So right now we can manage the notifications. Click on the add face data. Let's click on the start. And right now our smartphone is scanning our face. And it's done. So let's try if it is working. Let's lock our device, unlock. And yeah, it is working. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.